It's my first time buying the portable air conditioner. I've been putting it off because I think it would be hard to assemble. And it's the first time I'm going to make an attempt. So first thing is I cut open the box. There's instruction here. Say caution for easy unpacking. Lift the plug from the foam and lift foam tray out of the box. So there's a good instruction there. Here's the plug. So pull that out and then, you know, the sleeve here. And number 2 is the tray. And that piece right there, I think that's for the window. This unit's fairly heavy. But there are handle on the side here, both sides. So I'm going to make an attempt to install it and make it work. Here's all the information. 6,000 BTU with the remote temperature setting. I haven't read the instruction yet, but I believe these are for the duct. Make the duct to go to the window. This is remote control. That's got to be the hose for the condensation for the water coming out of the AC. The bracket. And of course some foam here that for the siding that goes on the window as well. Okay, and I took this out. This is for the window. Just depending how big the window is, you know, you can slide back and forth. I know the window is pretty big. Here's another piece. Oh, it's in crack. Oh, it came cracked. See that? First time taking out of the box. So they put, yeah, damaged product in there. There's nothing, there's no damage to the box, but apparently, yep, they put damaged product. That's too bad. See, that's a big crack on the. I have to put some tape and make it work. Yeah, it's both sides. Look at that. Wow. See. If you actually drop it, it's gonna be, the whole thing's gonna crack. You cannot use it. Okay, so you attempt to read the manual. There's one in Spanish, there's one in English. I'm gonna do the easy thing first. The one I know very well is installing the battery in the remote. Like I said, I've been putting it off on patient and get it set up. Okay, the remote's working. Okay, so for the window section, I found 3 pieces. It comes with 4 slides. So I'm going to use the, I have a big window, so I'm going to put this on the bottom, and this piece in the middle here, it's smaller, so you can slide, hit the 3rd one. So I'm going to adjust it just like that, and then put the bolt. It comes in with 3 bolts, plastic bolt like this. First of all, I would not consider this a bolt, but it's generally it is. So just put, you know, put somewhere. Make sure it fits your window first, and then plug it in. That's it. As far for the slide go. And make sure to keep this part open for the tube here. Alright, so I found a window that I can put this on. I'm going to put it on the kitchen window. This one with the bigger hole here. It's the big hole here for the vent. I put that in the bottom, and I use the connecting piece here in the middle. And I put the bolt here, the plastic bolt, you see? And another piece on the top. So I'm going to stuck like that, without reading, you know, all the instructions. I don't know, I don't like to read too much instructions. Because I have an idea to put it on right now. Here is the piece that I think is gonna go in for the wire. For the cord. Okay, I snapped that piece in there, and this is how the cord goes. Just like that. Okay, and the next thing is to put this duct in there. I'm going to slide in here, and it's going to lock into this little slot here. Okay, I slide it in, and it's locked into position. And this hose is, you know, it's flexible. All right, let's go and assemble it. That's locked in place, looks pretty nice. Right, the next thing is the cord. I need to find the 3, it has 3 prong. So I need to put into the outlet that has the ground and the other 2. Alright, I have this position the way I wanted it. I put the 3, I don't know why they gave only 3 of these bolts. So I cut a piece of a, you know, make it work. I'm just one of those, I don't want to use this on myself, but I'm pretty creative. So, you know, I cut a piece of chopstick. They wanted, or, you know, food to go food. They gave you free chopstick. I cut it to make it work. Now I'm going to close this window. Just like so. It's a little more snug. I think some people put the bolts and stuff, but screws. So that's it. And you want to block the window, you can put a piece of wood here, blocking it so intruders will come in. Well, 2nd floor anyway, they don't bother. But I always put a stick here just to block it. Let's go and plug it in and test it out. Okay, so due to limited space in the room, I switch the AC vent from going to that window to this window instead, and I just washed I just washed the screen That's why you see a little water in there. It's gonna drip and dry. So I repositioned to this window instead, and it says it needs about 19 point something inches. So I can turn it on. Let's go temperature. Wow, nice air coming out. This thing just lifts up by itself. So I don't know, put 65 right now. But the actual temperature is at 71. So once you get to like 65, then I'll stop. You know how this works. Nice and cool. That's it. That's how I install my AC, portable AC, and it's easier than I thought. So I've been putting it off, not installing it, because I think it would be really complicated to do so. But it's very easy, and the brand is Senior. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I use the double backing tape and the foam right in between there to seal the cracks. That way I'm not getting any hot air coming in. So nice and cool right now. I just noticed something. When I put the hose, the water keep coming out. Apparently there's a break right here that's manufacturer defect as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and make an attempt and repair it. Put some PVC glue, so hopefully it's shut and works. So yeah, I'm getting a defective product from Best Buy. It's too bad. There's several places, but I don't think they notice it because it's inside, Insignia, that the one who manufactured this, the QA. I'm not sure if they missed it or well, as far as shipping goes, everything looks good. So I have to say QA. This is how I do it, just to be a little creative. I put the super glue around the leak, around the breakage, and put the rubber band, from one of the wheel to another wheel. So look at that. That's it, and let it sit for a short while.